An ancient forge, able to create worth from raw potential. When forging metal, it is a question of pure will. Until a coin is born, fusing this ancient tradition with modern vision. Here also lies a forge, but of a different time. A lot has changed, but some things will always reflect our past. Whether written on paper, carved from plaster, or machined in metal. We work our hands until we see our reflection in every piece. One by one, all fall into place. Each forged at the Croatian mint. The signature of our heritage, our craftsmanship, our precision, our dedication. We see beyond the metal, foreseeing each coin's journey as they carry with them our legacy, so that one day it might become yours.